Oh, scaly-breasted munia is now entering the nest. They have just come near the branch, you can see, and they are now planning to enter the nest. Scaly-breasted munia. Both the scaly-breasted munia have come, so the sun has already set, and they have just come now to enter the nest. The timing is very perfect. Just the sun sets, both the birds come during this time, and there you can see how they are entering the nest. Male, female, scaly-breasted munia birds. See, he's entering the nest. Yes, and the other one also will enter the nest now. These are very intelligent birds, and they have just entered their nest. Sun sets, and exactly at that time, see, here he's entered the nest. He entered his nest, and very perfect timing. After the sun sets, and they have just entered their nest. Scaly-breasted munia birds. So do like and subscribe on Travel of Pradnesh, and keep watching for more videos. Thanks for watching.